bros, I don't really know if Brittany's gonna like this video that I'm making about her, but we're gonna talk about her imperfections. This car in Florida is an oven to get inside of. Holy crap. Love how all the gauges, the needle goes like this and then it goes back to normal. That's really cool. And the cool thing about this video is I don't have to take a drive to go to our spot. I'm just gonna film right at my house. Man, she's sexy. Actually, let me go ahead and show you guys something. Alright, so I'm actually gonna tell you guys something. I'm not really gonna show you anything. I didn't even put on the title of the video, but this is the official giveaway announcement. Alright, bro, so I didn't really think of a cool way to show you guys what I'm gonna give away, but it is it right here. Yep, a shift knob. Obviously, this is my stock shift knob. No idea why I took it out, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm actually gonna give away the aluminum Nismo shift knob. I know, really cool, right? If you guys are wondering why I'm not giving away something more expensive for the giveaway, I mean, this shift knob is pretty expensive to me. Even I wanted that shift knob. I mean, I've always wanted that shift knob, but you guys are still supporting, and I mean, I really appreciate you guys so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it to you guys. And notice how I didn't put in the title giveaway announcement, because I only want the true bros that watch my videos because they care to be entered in the giveaway, not just somebody that wants to get a free car part. To be entered in the giveaway, you guys have to be subscribed to the channel, you guys gotta follow me on Instagram, and you guys have to like and comment on the picture I'm gonna post, and that's how you're gonna be picked. This is my Instagram right here, Z34_Lee. I'm gonna post it on the screen right now. So by the time this video is up, I actually want you guys to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You have to follow me to be able to be entered and win, because I mean, if you don't follow me and I choose you as the winner, I'm obviously not gonna choose you. So you gotta follow me on Instagram. You gotta like the picture, and I want you guys to also comment on the picture. It doesn't really matter what you comment on the Instagram picture. It's just so I can have your username and I can write it down and then mix it in a bowl with a bunch of papers and then pick one out. So yeah, that's how it's gonna work. You gotta subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the picture, follow me on Instagram, and comment so I can actually enter you in the giveaway. With that said, good luck to you guys. Wait, no, I almost forgot. If you do not own a 370Z or a manual car, don't worry. We're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna DM you if you're the winner. If you don't have a Z or a manual car, we're gonna talk about what you would want for the giveaway. Something along the same price range, so do not worry about that. Okay, with that said, let's get to the video. Dang it, I almost forgot. So the giveaway winner is gonna be announced 2 days after this video is posted. I don't know when it's gonna go up, but just count 2 days, and then that's when it's gonna be announced. So let's go ahead and start with the video. First of all, I gotta say sorry to Brittany. I know you didn't want me to make this video, but it's something we have to do together, you know, so I can get them fixed and so I can be motivated to clean you and to get these little bad things fixed. So where should I start? Okay, I think I know. Actually, no, before we start, let me explain to you guys how this video is gonna be and what is it about. It's not about how bad the car is from factory. I already made a video on that, which I got a lot of hate on. Please don't hate on this video. It's all the modifications I've done, the bad things about them, and the little imperfections that the car has that I need to get fixed. So this video is just to let you guys know that the car's not perfect, and that I also gotta get myself together and fix all these things. Okay, so let's start off with what I talk about every single day. Oh my god, that's so hot. Alright, so let's talk about the banner. As you guys can see, my banner, this Florida sun, this amazing, beautiful Florida weather is just absolutely just messing up my banner. I mean, as you guys can see right there, it's just burned, like bad. Tony from So-Called Z, bro, I mean, if you're watching this right now, you should send me another one, cause, yeah. Look how bad that is. So number one right there, you guys can already see the banner looks pretty ugly. I'm gonna take a different approach, and I'm gonna talk about something I only talked about once ever. Alright, yeah, next I gotta definitely talk about this tow hook cover. So this is a tow hook cover for my old bumper. As you guys know, this is a Nismo conversion. I actually didn't know I had to buy it for the Nismo conversion, so I ended up putting my old one and just taping it in. So that actually looks pretty ugly. That's another little imperfection I really gotta get fixed soon. I think I'm just gonna buy it and just, you know how they don't come painted, just put it there black. I don't know. I gotta figure that out. Next thing that really annoys me, and it's something pretty bad about this car. I don't know if you guys can see with the shadow. Okay, there you can see it. But this is like all oxidized, as you can see right there. It's pretty bad. So I definitely need new rotors. Probably if I buy new rotors, I'm gonna get the drilled and slotted ones. But it's like 400 or 500 for 4 of them. So right now I really can't. But definitely in the future, I'm definitely gonna get new rotors because these are like oxidized, and it just It looks pretty ugly. From here you can't really tell, but if you get like close to the car and you want to see the tire letterings, you're like, oh, nice tire letterings. But then you go in, you're like, oh, that's pretty bad. Definitely something I need to get fixed, and it's just really annoying about the car. And yeah, it did came like that. But I mean, it's also an 09, so it's been through a lot, so we gotta keep that in mind. Next one on the list, I'm gonna be talking about the tire letterings. I made a whole video on the tire letterings. I'm gonna link it up somewhere up here so you guys can go watch it. It did really good. A lot of you guys loved it, because I mean, the car without the tire letterings would look so plain and just so not as cool. But I gotta talk about the tire letterings. As you guys warned me, it is pretty annoying to maintain them. I mean, as you can see right there, they're peeling out right there. The whole thing never peels off. I mean, I did this one pretty good, so you can see like nothing is peeling off this one, but like little imperfections like right here. And it doesn't happen to all of them, but this side is actually pretty bad. Yeah, right here the E's peeling out, this corner's peeling out. Over here, the racing thing is bad. But I just want to show you guys things like this so you can see like the consequences of doing little things like this, or just doing anything to your car in general. So yeah, tire letterings look really good on your car, but you do have to maintain them. You gotta clean them, re-glue them, and things like that. Let's talk about the worst thing that I feel this car has, and what really just annoys me, and the biggest imperfection, I guess you can say. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know what I'm gonna talk about, and the thing is right there, the color difference between my car and the front bumper and the rear bumper. Let me try to show you guys. Oh, okay, yeah, I think this angle shows it perfectly, but as you guys can see, there's like a slight color difference between my car and the bumper. Right there you can also see it pretty good. I mean, it's not that bad. As you just saw, it's only like certain angles. Like if I'm up here, you cannot tell there's a color difference right there. You just can't. But then you get closer to it and you really stare at it, and then you can really tell. Actually, not even there. Like right there, you can't even tell. So it has to be like certain angles. So it's not that bad, but still it's something that's there, and it's just really annoying. The problem is when you do things like this, there's never gonna be a paint exactly like the one that comes from factory, so there's always gonna be a slight difference. And even if you do color match it, I mean, it's not gonna look the same. There's always gonna be like a slight difference because we did color match it. So next thing we have to do is we gotta blend the car, we gotta color blend it. And they told me it's like $500 for all the panels, which I'm not even gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do. You guys already know what my opinion on that is. Just to give you guys a hint of what I do plan on doing, let's just say we're gonna have a car with 3 different colors for a long time. But yeah, being serious, that really annoyed me for like the first 2 weeks that I had the car. Even when I uploaded the video, it really annoyed me, but I'm okay with it now. I mean, the car still looks beautiful, but I just really wanted you guys to know about that. I think I talked about it in my last 2 videos, but this video is about the imperfections, so I also gotta talk about it during this video. One day we'll get it fixed. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump back into the interior. I'm sorry that I'm bringing you guys like over here and then over there. Can you see me? There we go, now you guys can see me. I'm sorry that I'm bringing you guys like over here, then over there. I'm actually gonna leave the door open because it's so hot in here. Oh my gosh, Florida. Alright, anyways, let me stop complaining because you guys say I complain too much. What I'm gonna talk about is how my dash is cracked in the corners. And I'm pretty sure this has happened to a lot of you Z owners. Because even my friend, I don't know if you guys remember Kevin. I mean, he has a white 370. We made like a lot of videos together actually. I don't know if you guys remember him. But he bought a 370Z just like mine, 09, except his automatic. But his dash is also cracked, and it's actually worse than mine. There's like pieces where they're just like ripped off. If any of you guys have a 370 or any car, actually, it doesn't really matter, that your dash is also cracked and you know how to fix it, let me know, because I mean, I just really don't like how it's cracked. And I love the 370's dash. It looks super nice, way better than the 350 in my opinion. But it just gets so cracked and I really don't like it. Thank you, Florida Heat. All thanks to you. Next up, I don't really think these are bad things, but these are things I need to get done for the car, and just so it can be perfect just how it is. And as you guys know, in my last video I already talked about how I don't have fender liners over here, and I also don't have like the undershroud of the car, so I definitely need to get those 2 things. If you want the conversion from the base model to the Nismo to be perfect, you do need to get those things, but they cost a lot of money, which I didn't have while doing the conversion. So little by little, bro, so you don't gotta rush anything. When you're building your car, you take your time, actually make sure it's safe and you're able to do things little by little, but you don't have to rush anything, just take your time. So yeah, that's definitely gonna come in the future. So talking about the wheels, look at that, bros. I know, just look at that. That is so bad. Look at that. You know how the paint's coming off though, because every time we gotta, I mean, the paint's already like a year old. It's supposed to last like a year and something, so it's done great. It's been there for like a year and a half, I think. But anyways, when we were like installing the springs, we had to take off the wheel and put it back on and things like that. And every time you had to like torque it, I mean, It just took the paint with it, so yeah, pretty bad. Thank God that it's not on all of them. Like, this one's really good. It's only like a little piece right there. But yeah, that's kind of bad. I'm definitely gonna have to get new wheels. I don't think I'm gonna repowder coat this ones. They lasted a long time, so definitely next thing that's coming for the Z, I think it's gonna be new wheels and tires and everything. The next thing I really want to talk about that's always giving me a problem with this car. I've done everything with these headlights. Well, I already said it, the headlights. They don't look that bad on camera. Like, honestly, if I film the car from here, you guys would think that's like a perfectly good, clear headlight. Well, okay, I don't even think you guys can see the imperfections of the headlight, but it's kind of pretty bad. I do know how to fix them though. I'm just being kind of lazy. I watched this video on Chris Fix. I mean, you guys probably know him. He's super popular on YouTube, on the car world. Well, he did a video on how to clean your headlights using clear coat. I did use the clear coat. They look a lot better. But after he used the clear coat, oh my gosh. After he used the clear coat, he used this thing so he can clear and just make the clear coat really nice. I never ended up doing that, so I definitely gotta do that so it can look better. But I mean, it's not that they look bad, I just gotta take my time and clean them again. Now that I'm looking at the car and just seeing how aggressive and amazing it looks like from the front, I mean, look at that, bros. You know, I would just top off this car, just make it look insane. A carbon fiber vented hood. How sick would that look? This car with the carbon fiber vented hood. Dude, just like the vents right there and just black and carbon fiber. That would look so absolutely insane, guys. Oh my gosh. And to make the rear just absolutely more insane than it already is, a lot of you guys have already commented on it, but I should get louvers for the back. So I think, bros, if I get the louvers, the carbon fiber hood, and the wheels, this car is gonna go from extremely clean to insanely clean. Sadly, that's 900. That's like 500, and that's like 1,300 plus. So if you guys want to PayPal me, my PayPal is. So I think that's pretty much it, bros. That's everything bad I wanted you to know about the Z. I just really want to let you guys know the bad things about it and like the things I need to get worked on. And yeah, I mean, although the Z looks absolutely clean, there's still bad things about it and just little details that I really need to get fixed and things like that. I really hope a lot of you guys just enjoy the transparency and just the honesty on this video. I mean, a lot of people would just take cool pictures and cool videos of the car but never really show the bad things about it and the bad part of bodying and the bad part of doing this and that. So I really hope you guys just enjoy what I did in this video and just show you the bad things about it. I'm really gonna try to get all this fixed, obviously little by little, but these are my main priorities before I start modding and spending even more money. Let's focus on the little things and then the big things. Because little details like these and the color and then the headlight and then the banner and just little things like this really just make the car look so much better if they're perfect than if I got like a carbon fiber hood but you still had the bad banner and the bad headlights. So I gotta focus on these little things first. Also, the giveaway. I almost forgot I did a giveaway during this video. Let me know how many of you bros are excited for this giveaway, guys. Honestly, this is my favorite shift knob and the one I'm gonna have. But I decided to give it to you guys first and then I'll buy it later on. So with that said, bros, like I already told you guys, that's everything, basically everything I want to tell you guys. And I also did the giveaway. So remember, little recap on the giveaway. You have to subscribe to this channel, follow me on Instagram, comment on the latest picture that I posted with this video, and like the picture. Comment anything you want on the picture, doesn't really matter. Just comment something nice though. If you guys could, please give a big thumbs up on this video. All my last videos have gotten at least 200 likes, which that's absolutely insane. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you share the channel with your friends and maybe they also want to enter the giveaway, and just tell them to subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram if you guys want. Thank you guys so much for the support lately. I mean, it's been absolutely amazing. I really love you guys for that, so thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and yeah, with that said, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.